going on, guys? Don't mind the fuzziness on the camera. It's because I got a screen protector, so there's like a little glare. Today, we're going to go ahead and paint this manifold. We're getting straight to it. Not the whole thing, just the outside. I'll show you. So just this portion right here, I got a new can. And I figured since I did a pretty good job on the head, other than me smushing this when it was wet, let's go ahead and take this off real quick. Just because I don't want to get too carried away, man. I got it all on and stuff, so I'm already upset that I got to take it off. I should have done this earlier. But hey, it is what it is. FAM intake manifold off. I think we're just going to have to remove these, I want to say. Obviously, I don't want to get the spacer in the paint, but we'll see. I'll figure it out. Paint it. First, I'm going to brake clean it, make sure everything's good, no oils, and then I'm going to start from the top, do a layer like that. Or maybe if I could lay it flat on its face, I could do something like that. Fam, so we got it off. These bolts were freaking stripped from factory, man. I used all my Allen wrench sizes, all the sizes that could possibly be them, and they all had a little play in them. So then when I took them out and I looked in, they all were like mainly stripped, but this is pretty much it. I don't want this to fall, but this is like the opening. Some people have ITBs, and this is pretty much what they're rocking. So, those things are huge holes, man. But we're going to put this aside. All right, after a long time, kind of gave up over here on the side real quick. I mean, you're not really going to see the bottom anyway, but the top is pretty much done. I'm just going to go ahead and hit it with a little bit of brake cleaner and then start painting. Fam, quick interruption. I didn't really record more because I thought that it was going to come out bad. It's coming out pretty good. The thing is, I brake cleaned the intake and it stripped off the tape, but I was like, shit, I screwed up the spacer. Like, I might as well wrinkle black the spacer as well, but I'm going to acetone the spacer so it'll stay silver. Acetone could strip paint, so we'll do that. If not, we'll use paint stripper, and then it'll look good as hell. So I totally forgot about that. I got a little nervous, so I was like, shit. But yeah, we're going to get this to work. I'm going to show you guys the intake. You're going to be surprised. So guys, this is it right here. I put a ton of coats on this, but it's still a little wet. I almost fell. It's still a little wet. All the bumps and stuff you see was from like the bottom of the, pretty much how it came. I just sprayed it over. Obviously, the valve cover was a little smoother because it was literally like sanded down and all that. So yeah. But yeah, it's not bad. I'll just catch up with you guys when I put this on. Hi fam, so I let it sit overnight because obviously, you know, it needed to dry up and stuff. And yeah, she got pretty wrinkled. It's pretty right. Definitely looks like it put more of a layer here than the like middle here and the side over here. But hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna just slap this on. Alright guys, forgot to mention, before you put your intake on, make sure you just get everything, like all your fittings in and stuff, because it's less of a pain to do it. So right now I'm putting Teflon on this fitting. I know this is the fitting for my brake master. So this fitting right here, if it wants to zoom in, come on. This fitting is the perfect fitting for this hose, which connects to the brake booster back there. So yeah, we're gonna put this on, and then I blocked off, like I'm going to block off this port, like I just mentioned earlier. I'm going to remove this one to the bottom because it's black. I forgot to take it off when I painted. But I'm going to put that one there. Obviously, I just did. And now this one's going to go over here. Closest to fit that little hose that I got. And then after that, we'll be good. Fam, and just to show you my masterpiece in the morning, there it is. pretty all right. I definitely put more coats on the bottom one than the valve cover. The valve cover had like maybe 4 or 5 coats. I put like, I don't even know how many on that because it wasn't wrinkling. So I was like, yo, why is this not working? But hey, it is what it is. Now that I know I like the wrinkle look, the plain kind of sleeker look, I'll get this powder coated eventually. Not now, obviously. Trying to get this car started. So yeah, yesterday we left off at the putting this in. Just showing you today how it went out. Might still leave the middle silver because that thing looks pretty fire. But yeah, today I just want to explain to you guys what's going on. I wanted to start it today. First off, I'm missing a battery and I'm missing a plug, right? So there's a special plug. I'm gonna put it right here somewhere, a picture. This is a Mustang throttle body, so this is not the K-tuned or whatever, so you need a Mustang TPS sensor. So my goofy butt bought what's it called, the extension, so this little extension right here, and I bought an Acuity TPS sensor, which was very expensive. I mean, for a little sensor like that, you know. So I kind of shot myself in the foot because I had to go and buy a whole harness. It's a harness, like I'm gonna show you guys. I put it up in the screen, that Speed Factory sells, and that's what I need. So I pretty much spent like 100 plus for no reason, and it pissed me off a little bit, not gonna lie to you, but hey, it is what it is. I'm not trying to spend unnecessary money. Obviously, you know, we got the nitrous. I'm trying to get this worked. I'm trying to get this on. I'm trying to get the cams in and all that bullshit. So yeah, other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and scrape this off today, not on video, but next time you see this, it'll be cleaned up. But yeah, one more look, guys. Pretty fresh, pretty fresh.